In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create transparency in a video using Canva, step by step. This is a super useful effect if you want to make text, overlays, or elements blend smoothly into your video, create modern designs, or add a professional touch to your content. Whether you're creating social media videos, presentations, or YouTube content, learning how to control transparency in Canva can instantly level up your visuals. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva home screen, log into your account if you're not already signed in. From here, you can either open an existing video design or create a new video project. For this tutorial, we're going to work with a video that already has text or elements added to it. Next, click on the video design you want to add transparency to. This will open the Canva editor, where you can see your video timeline at the bottom and your design canvas in the center of the screen. Make sure you're on the correct page or scene where you want the transparency effect to appear. Now, click on the element you want to make transparent. This could be text, a shape, an image, or even a graphic overlay placed on top of your video. Once you click on the element, you'll notice a toolbar appear at the top of the editor with different customization options. In this example, we'll focus on text, but the same steps apply to most elements in Canva. With the element selected, look for the Transparency option in the top toolbar. It usually appears as an icon with a checkerboard pattern. Click on the Transparency button and you'll see a slider appear. This slider controls how visible or transparent the selected element is. Drag the slider to the left to reduce opacity and make the element more transparent, or drag it to the right to make it more solid. Adjust this until you get the exact transparency level you want for your video. Take a moment to preview how it looks against your video background. Once you're happy with the transparency, you can make the effect even more eye-catching by adding animation. To do this, keep the element selected and click on the Animate button in the top toolbar. Canva will show you a list of animation styles you can apply to the text or element. Scroll through the options and choose an animation that works well with the transparency effect, such as a fade, rise, or slide animation. Click on an animation to apply it instantly. You can also adjust animation settings like speed or direction depending on the effect you choose. This combination of transparency and animation can make your video feel much more dynamic and professional. After applying the animation, it's important to preview your video. Click on the Preview or Play button to watch how the transparency and animation look in motion. Check that the text is still readable, the effect is smooth, and everything flows well with the video. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune the transparency level or change the animation until it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added a transparency effect to a video in Canva. This simple technique can make a huge difference in how polished your videos look. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.